Hello and welcome to our first tutorial of eDelta Pro Options backtesting software. Today, we are going to look at a three-step process. First, we will set up an options trading strategy. Then we will be running the backtest itself. We will also make some adjustments to optimize the strategy. And finally, we will be organizing the results for future use. This is the area where we are going to set up and define our trading strategy. The first thing that we need to select is the underlying symbol. In this case, we are going to use SPY. Second, we need to select the date range, 2 years in this case. As for DTE, days to expiration, we are going to use 45 days. And finally and most important, it's the strategy itself. Puts and calls. That can be long or short. We are going to backtest a strangle. You need to slide the markers to adjust your deltas. So we are going to run the backtest itself, and we are going to make 3 adjustments to see the different results. So, let's get this to 16 deltas. Both put and call. And we are ready to run the test. We have the first results, here. We can see the trade log here, with the detail of every trade. And the daily summary, a day-by-day report, with balance and realized profit and loss. Second, we are going to make an adjustment and bring the deltas to 30 delta. And run the test. We have a new result, here. Now we want to exit the position at 50% of maximum profit. If we reach that condition, we want to roll and open a new position immediately. Finally, if the trade does not reach 50% of max profit, we want to close the position at 21 DTE instead of waiting to expiration. We have now 4 backtests showing different adjustments. We can go back, from one to another test, and see the changes in real time. We have here our 4 different adjustments, and we are going to save them. I already saved Demo 1, 2 and 3. I am going to save the 4th one, Demo 4. That's it. And now we are going to close our test area. Here. And go back to our main library that contains the records of our executed studies. We are now on our final step. Let's go and organize the different backtests. You can see here our 4 backtests. Demo 1, Demo 2, 3 and 4. I just selected them, and apply the filter, so we only see the chosen cards. I can also present them in a table format, that makes it easy to compare the empirical results. So let's add a tag, I fancy D100. Why not? And use this other tag to see another set of backtests. We can also filter by strategy, symbol, or use another tag. This one relates to a filter for implied volatility rank or IVR. But that is for another video. Folks, that is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial of eDelta Pro Options backtesting software. And remember, practice makes the master. Test before you trade. See you next time.